Hello everyone, this is the 5-minute shorts. As you can see, we have a strong support. What's supporting the price right now is the Fib 68%. It retraced, went down all to the Fib 68 and then pulled up again, went to the 78%, to the 100%, made the 100, and then it moved up, and then it is retracing and is pulled over here, stopped retracing at the EMA 8 and the 78% again. So you can tell that the SMA 21 and EMA 8 is very crucial element if you are doing scalping. There is a deviation in the MACD and the RSI. If you can, let's see here. There is a deviation. The RSI is 63, okay, and it's rising, and the MACD is declining. So there is a bearish divergence. So this bearish divergence means that there will be a retracement before moving up, back up again. And as you can see here, here is the HMA 63, which is tied to the revol. There is no volume. The revol is purple, which means negative. The revol is, there is no revol happening, as you can tell here in my gold law of dimension return indicator. The revol is going down. There is no revol. The overall trend is no revol happening. And in the meantime, which means that there is no volume will support the divergence. And also here you can see in the volume here increased. There is a morning star happening, but if you can see here the volume here, what's happening here in the volume is below the moving average 8 days and in the below the lower band of the Bollinger Band. And even though the CVD is moving, but still there is a divergence. And when we go here to the 30-minute shorts, you will see it better. On the 30-minute shorts, as you can tell, we have here a take profit area at 27.59. This is a take profit based on mean divergence. And if you can see the support, we are right now at the pivot of the resistance. We have resistance at 27.59 and then the second resistance 27.60. And this is very crucial area. And if you can see where we are right now, this is the HMA 5, which is leading and crossing over the Chico span. And on the on the 30-minute it's bullish, even though we are here. Check here on the RSI is 82. It's oversold area. And the MACD here up there, it's very high area. We are the reading is on the left. I'm doing it on the mobile. So as you can tell, we have here a strong area. Okay, here is a strong area of support here, which is at this Camarella pivot here, which is at 27.52, where it was the previous pivot and where the price kicked off. So what you have to know, what you need to watch is to I want to share with you something. I hope that it will open here. Yes, here it is. This is the accumulation line and the RSI. The RSI is 82%, the signal is 80, and the accumulation distribution is increasing, but it's almost there on the upper band of the Bollinger Band, which should be retracing. This is not something, this is something that you should be looking forward to watch. Either reversal, if we have strong volume happening here on the 50 minutes. Here, let you share with you the volume. Bollinger. This is the LDR. The LDR here, it's still As you can tell here on the LDR, we are bulls are in control. The coefficient correlation with the US dollar is -5, so that means we are doing better than the dollar. But let's check something here. USD bias, which is based on the DXY. US bias is 49, so people are buying more. Almost there. We are tied with the US dollar index as well as with the dollar. As you can tell here, we are the signal. Okay, it's very. We are still having a momentum, uprising momentum, but we don't have the volume. We don't have the volume to support the continuation on the 30 minutes. And if we check here on the volume, let's go here. Here, let's go here. Let's take it this way. And here's the volume. Okay, gentlemen. As you can tell, the volume, we are still, the volume percentage change in from the previous bar, we are 21% below. So there's no volume to take the business up again. And we are still below the moving average, which is 8 period previous. So we are still below here 8 period. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we are still below this average because we have two. The previous one where we hit, where we scored before hitting the fib 61.8%. That was it, where we had a bigger volume here coming up and hitting the Bollinger Band. So that was something you should be looking forward to see, to watch. So and as you can tell right now in the bar, there is a rejection price coming up here at this price, 27.58. There is a rejection, which is not in our good favor. That means we are retracing. And if we're going to retrace the first area, it will be 27.52. This is how I just want you to share. And let's wait. It's almost 18:23 Cairo local time, so London is almost finished, half an hour, and it will be New York by itself, where liquidity will be minute. And that's the dinar, that's the resistance, dynamic resistance, which is at 27.57. So that's where the resistance, where we are. Here's the wick, that's the wick, and that's the resistance, and we are trading below the resistance. Okay, have fun and enjoy your